this video, I will be talking about the most important Bitcoin rejection we're currently getting on the market, and I will be talking about this current range we're currently trading in, and I will be exactly talking about what are the things you have to be looking out for and how we could be confirming a breakout of this range trend right here on the market. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because on top of that, Bitcoin is currently retesting its symmetrical triangle perfectly. So make sure that you're going to stay till the end of this video, because this is the video to watch if you want to be staying up to date exactly what currently is going down here in the cryptocurrency market. So make sure to like this video, because on the previous video we smashed it up above 500 likes, and can we once again do it on today's update video? Slap up that like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And let me start off with kicking off this video with discussing the imminent short term here on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market, because yes, what we can currently see here on the imminent short term is that Bitcoin is currently once again falling down significantly. However, do take this into account. Currently, we can clearly see Bitcoin has been forming a higher high on the 1 hour candle. It is also starting to be confirming higher lows as well. So yeah, so far we are definitely trading in a better trend like we were doing before, while we were forming, of course, lower highs and lower lows. And right now we could be, of course, even seeing continuation of this trend getting created. So Bitcoin is looking quite decent right now. And if I have to be looking for a potential trend line, what is going to be the most important trend line to be breaking, it's definitely going to be this big red line here on the top side right now. Like you can see, this red line got us rejected several times in a row here on this market, and yeah, basically this is the level to be breaking for Bitcoin. It's an upper sloping resist line, so maybe we're not even going to touch it, but definitely a thing to be keep on watching right now here. Also, if we're considering the trend speed of this line right here, we could also be expecting that we're somewhere going to be finding some support around right now. So let's see how it is going to be playing out. Maybe we are forming a larger time frame rising wedge here. Could be definitely potentially forming out for Bitcoin right now. But anyways, let's see how it is going to be playing out, because what I do think is the most important range to be currently watched basically on Bitcoin is the 4-hourly time frame. And once looking at the 4-hourly time frame, you want to be looking at this big red resistance box here on the top side, what is basically providing us resistance for already over an approximately 22 days here. And if we're going to be breaking above this level, what we clearly have not done, and like I yesterday told you, we have to confirm a 4-hourly close above this level in order to confirm a bullish breakout for Bitcoin. And like you can see clearly right now, yes, we came up again towards that 24.6k target, and we once again closed a 4-hourly candle against it, but not above it. So we were not confirming the bullish breakout. So yeah, definitely no breakout confirmed yet here. And in order to confirm a breakout, we just need to see a 4-hourly candle close above the red box of resistance. But basically, the lower side, the green box, is the level to long, the red box is the level to short. And as soon as we either do break above the red box, or if we break below the green box, that is going to be either your short target or your long entry you are going to get on this market. So make sure that you're going to be playing it like this. I personally think that we could be potentially still come down here and once again come back up here, because yeah, basically we've been already doing this for the past 22 to 25 days here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to be another 2 or 3 days over the course of this weekend where we're going to see similar price action for Bitcoin. But what is definitely then more interesting to see is that 4-hourly time frame and that symmetrical triangle we're currently forming here on the market right now. Because looking at the symmetrical triangle, we can clearly see the upper sloping support line is perfect on this support on this trend right here, and also the 4-hourly time frame is forming a beautiful downward sloping resistance line. And like you can see, we've got 3 perfect rejections from this trend line, and after 3 perfect rejections, we can currently see that this level is starting to be flipping into support. So that is, of course, a very good development we're currently spotting on the market, and this could be, of course, a potential region where Bitcoin is going to be finding some support at once again rather than resistance. So definitely interesting to see how this is going to be playing out, but the 4-hourly time frame is definitely retracing back towards support right now here, and this is going to be a level I hope to see that is going to be flipping into significant support. Furthermore, looking at the daily time frame, guys, we can clearly see that Bitcoin closed above the $24,000, and that is a very good development we're currently seeing on the market, because like we do know, historically speaking, there was only one large level of resistance in this market for the Bitcoin bull market, and that was the 24k. And like you can see afterwards, we went towards the upside very quickly, and that basically means is that there is not a lot of volume resistance in this range between the approximately $29,000 and $24,000. What also means that if Bitcoin confirms a breakout above, it can easily move back up to $29,000 fairly quickly once again. Just like because there was almost no volume, it dropped so quickly, it can also increase very quickly back above this level once again. So that is definitely a very good development what we're currently spotting, because if we're going to be approaching it a little bit different, we can also see on the daily time frame, we can see an ascending broadening wedge getting formed, and basically we saw several times a rejection from this level, like you can see right now. And 2 days ago we confirmed a daily candle close above, and that was of course already what we discussed yesterday, and that is making ourselves very bullish in this scenario, because yeah, we're breaking above a key level of resistance. Like I told you, it is not the breakout I would have loved to see, because it's not a very significant close above, but still it is a confirmation of a breakout above the critical level of resistance on the daily time frame right now. And for Bitcoin, that could be of course having very bullish consequences on the market. So yeah, those things are definitely looking quite alright here, and if we really are going to see another significant daily green candle close above this level, this is of course for me going to be the confirmation. And like I told you already, I do think that the 23.8k, this red line after breaking above it, is going to be a very good level to be potentially long at, because we already confirmed the break above the level. So that is also going to be a huge opportunity for everyone out there right now in the market. Furthermore, looking also at the Bitcoin 3-day chart, you can currently see that the 3-day RSI is currently running in towards a significant resistance on the market, and this resistance has been already around for over 500 days on the market, and to be exact, 581 days. This RSI trend line has been intact, and if we are going to be breaking above this 581 day downtrend, it could be having very bullish consequences for Bitcoin. It got us rejected significantly in the past. It was the rejection here of the January 1st correction. It was the rejection of the all-time high we created on the Bitcoin market. It was also ultimately the rejection we created here at the end point of March, what was basically the start of the whole carnage in the market. And currently we are retesting it once again. So is this once again going to be a turning point where Bitcoin is going to fall down significantly because it's going to get rejected by the 3-day RSI trend? Or is it going to be the point that we're breaking above the downtrend and going to be flipping bullish again for Bitcoin? That is going to be very important to be watching right now. So I would highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel right now, so you are going to stay up to date exactly about when we do break above it. And if we do break above it, it's also going to be potentially allow you to, of course, open a very good swing trade on Bitcoin. And for all my US watchers, if you want to be trading in the US, I would highly recommend to check out BitGet in the link in the description, because if you're using BitGet, you definitely don't have to do any KYC, you don't need any VPN, so that is definitely for all my US followers the best exchange. Outside of that, if you want to be also claim a free $100 airdrop position in a long or short, make sure to check out Bybit in the link in the description as well. So anyways guys, this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, smash up that like button, and of course if you want to learn how to copy trade, or if you want to learn how to open and execute trades, check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.